Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. Google is once again pushing the boundaries of personal technology with its upcoming AI-powered smart glasses, an innovation that could fundamentally reshape how Americans interact with digital devices. For over a decade, the smartphone, especially the iPhone, has been the center of modern life. It is how people communicate, work, shop, navigate, and consume entertainment. But now, a new question is emerging in the tech world. What if the phone is no longer the main device? Google's AI glasses represent a major shift from handheld screens to wearable, always-on intelligent computing. Instead of pulling out a phone, unlocking it, and switching between apps, users could simply look at the world and receive real-time digital information layered directly into their field of vision. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence and augmented reality, these glasses are designed to understand what you see, hear, and say, then respond instantly with relevant data, translations, navigation, or even conversations. Imagine walking through a city in the United States and seeing live directions floating on the sidewalk, or attending a meeting and getting instant summaries of what someone is saying. You could translate foreign languages in real time without touching a device. You could search the internet just by speaking naturally, with AI delivering answers directly in your vision. This is the future Google is aiming to build, a world where information is no longer locked inside a screen, but seamlessly integrated into reality. One of the most powerful aspects of Google's AI glasses is their connection to Google's ecosystem of artificial intelligence tools. With systems like Gemini AI, these glasses could act as a personal assistant that sees what you see. They could identify objects, provide historical information about landmarks, help with shopping decisions, or even assist in work tasks like coding, writing, and research. For American users who are already heavily dependent on smartphones, this could feel like a dramatic upgrade in convenience and productivity. However, this innovation also raises serious questions about the future of Apple's iPhone dominance. The iPhone is not just a device. It is a cultural icon and the backbone of Apple's trillion-dollar ecosystem. Millions of Americans rely on it daily. But if smart glasses become powerful enough to replace core phone functions like messaging, navigation, video calls, and search, the role of smartphones could begin to shrink over time. That said, it is unlikely the iPhone will disappear overnight. Instead, the industry may shift toward a hybrid future where smartphones and wearable AI devices coexist. In this scenario, the phone could become more of a processing hub, while glasses become the primary interface for everyday interactions. Apple is also reportedly working on its own AR and AI wearables, which means the competition between Google and Apple is about to enter a completely new phase. For consumers in the United States, the biggest impact will be on daily convenience. Instead of constantly looking down at screens, people may begin to interact with technology in a more natural and human way, through voice, vision, and real-world context. This could reduce screen time, improve multitasking, and create entirely new digital experiences that feel more immersive and intuitive. Still, challenges remain. Privacy concerns, battery life, social acceptance, and safety regulations will all play a major role in how quickly this technology is adopted. People may also need time to adjust to the idea of wearing smart devices that continuously capture and analyze their environment. In conclusion, Google's AI glasses could mark the beginning of a new technological era, one where the smartphone is no longer the center of digital life. Whether they fully replace the iPhone or simply enhance it, one thing is clear. The future of technology in America is moving beyond the screen and into the real world itself. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.